Good morning, people. It is Lebota.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, wherever you are. Good evening, wherever you are. Okay, this side it's what's the time? It's 6:30 a.m. So today I just thought of preparing porridge for my bear. She likes porridge, so now she's still sleeping, so I just want to prepare porridge for her. I'm not feeling well, but I have to wake up and do it. Ngawufike ujike nembiza kubo. Udawufike. Udawufike. Good morning. Good morning, my love. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm done. So now I don't but hey, ndanyatsoziona zveshuwa ndiri kurwara because shanhasi ndiri kurwara zvemachokwadi. Mapundu ari muporridge rori. Good morning, baby.
Thanks, Daddy. My favorite.
I'm coming to join you now, but rine mapundu because I'm not feeling well.
Don't worry.
So ndisina energy kunyatsoriita zvakanaka. Sure. My phone. Good morning, my love.
How are you?
I'm all right. How was your night? Wow. Rine mapundu, baby. Yo. Ndiri kurwara sho.
So patowedzera? Patowedzera?
Maybe varongera zvavaita nezuro.
Ndipete nesosha.
Ameno ndokwanisa kushanda here nhasi.
I'm going to wash and you will help me.
Amaya. I don't wanna lie. I can't.
Sure.
I can't. Ina risinyatsonakira kuzi I know very well kuti ndarigadzira ndisiri inini. Harinyatsomixwa well.
Anything zvaitwa nababy wangu. Unaka.
Say good morning to your fans.
Good morning, people. It is Lebota.
Wanyararire.
I'm enjoying porridge rangu.
Washaya nyaya kudaro. Nhasi nyaya yekuti waona ndakaita camera on.
No. Plus, remember when you're not sick.
From Kowape straight to porridge.
So my song was sort of years of sooner.
Okay.
I'm even feeling voice. No, not from Kowape to porridge. From Kowape to kiss.
Wow.
Then voice rangu toramba ubudesha.
Ngagute.
Sinopedza.
Arisunakira koza ino kuti ndaribika ndakachirwara.
Hani patri kunaka mwana wanende topedza.
Mimba yendi kurwara kana.
Okay. You're not starting to worry me or...
You mustn't worry. You mustn't worry. Yo.
Unaenda pets.
Wow. Depends on kitchen.
No, it means nice, honey. Just so I'm trying to feel
No, baby, can you go